In day 2, we compared an AI model and an AI application. Today, we learn what an AI API is. An API is the connection that lets software talk to an AI model. The AI model is the trained component. It receives input and produces output. The AI API is the connection. It lets software send input to the AI model and receive the model output. The API is not the model itself. It is the way software communicates with the model. The AI application is the software used by people. It uses the API to access the AI model. Here, this function simulates an AI API call. The application sends a prompt, and the function returns a model-like answer. This is not a real paid API yet. It is a simple simulation for learning the concept. Now I run the file, and Python prints how the application, API, and model work together. The output shows the flow. The user gives input, the application sends it through the API, and the model returns output. Today, you learn that an AI API connects software to an AI model. In the next lesson, we will learn what an AI workflow is.